Good evening, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 10:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, December 10, 2021. This isn't financial advice, it's educational. Let's move into Link US dollar. Here we are, Chainlink, 1913 right now. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out a little bit, zoom out a little bit, zoom out a little bit. Da, 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 da. Okay, so here we are. This is that blue turquoise line we drew a long time ago, not too long ago, about a week ago, to show this is kind of the area of support we're looking at. And how do we get to that area of support? Well, a couple of reasons why. It's a little bit of this, but more so on the Link Bitcoin pair, which we're going to go into in a second. This area of support right now is 1771. We're at 19 and change. We were just up to 23 literally a day ago. So, just you got to take the heat with the great. And right now, support right now, 1763. Resistance at 2050. Now let's move into Link Bitcoin because this is probably even more telling. Right now, we do have a floor of support at 3622. We're at 3953. And we also have resistance around 4473. This line has been around for a while. We've always had this here. So we've had plenty of chop, plenty of chop, plenty of chop. We need to get back over this area of resistance at 44.46, and we do not want to go below 36.33. However, we're sort of almost in the middle, slightly lower end of the middle, but I think we're fairly in reasonable shape still. But however, let's go take a look into Bitcoin and just make sure that we all know that we're kind of in an airy spot here. A couple of areas of support. Now remember, this broadening wedge is bullish, so that means if we break above 54K, likely we get back to where this broadening wedge started, which would be 68K. So this is a bullish pattern. Make no mistake about it. We just got to get over it. However, between now and the point at which we get over this resistance line is anyone's guess. But right now, we do have a support at 44K, which is evident here. Support, resistance, and then now support. However, if we go below the 44K line, we could be hitting this bottom end of support, which right now is around 38K. So something to keep in mind, especially given the fact that Bitcoin dominance is what we're looking at right here. We broke the channel, and breaking this channel is no bueno, meaning no good in English. So this going up all day long and from last night to today is a little concerning because we had a massive pullback on Bitcoin overnight. Last night into this morning and into the afternoon, really pulling it down to the 46K range. So it is concerning, going down in a almost 10% move in a 24-hour period, and this thing starting to spike up and blow past our resistance on the channel. So into the weekend, it's hard to say what's going to happen, but if Bitcoin starts dropping and you see this thing start going up, meaning the Bitcoin dominance pair, then you better believe that altcoins are going to probably get hit pretty hard. And Link would be no exception, and they'd all be kind of in the same boat. So be careful this weekend, especially if you're day trading. But if you're not, buckle up and keep the windows closed. We'll talk soon.